YouTube, Dacia here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make my DIY flaxseed hair gel. Flaxseed hair gel is very moisturizing and defines your curls. Flaxseed gel is also packed with a lot of antioxidants and vitamins for your hair. If you're interested in this video, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye. So things you'll need for this recipe is a pot, flax seeds, I got this from my local grocery store, a measuring spoon, an applicator bottle, measuring cup, spatula, and stockings. So on medium-high heat, add 3 cups of water and 3/4 cups of flax seeds. Give it a quick stir to ensure that flax seeds do not stick to the side and bottom of the pot. Bring to a boil. This will happen quickly, so keep stirring to ensure that the seeds do not stick to the bottom of the pot. Boil until the consistency thickens and a white gel forms to the top of the pot and it's slowly dripping off of the spoon. Remove from the heat and set aside to cool down. This will allow the flaxseed gel to thicken on its own while cooling. A few reasons why you should use flaxseed gel. 1. You made it, so you know exactly what's in it. 2. It is good for your hair. It is also a natural product. 3. It is moisturizing for your hair and skin. And 4. It is extremely economical. You can get 1 bag of flax seeds for about $3 to $7 at the grocery store, depending on where you go. After letting my flaxseed gel cool for about 40 minutes, it's now time to strain it. Place the stocking cap into the measuring cup and then pour the flaxseed gel into the stockings. This step is the most messiest and tedious part of making the gel, but it's also very fun to do. Be sure to squeeze as much gel as you can from the stockings. Next, take a funnel and place it into your applicator bottle. This will be used to pour the flaxseed gels quickly into the bottle. I ended up using a larger funnel because the smaller one was just simply taking too long, but you get the idea. So now I'm just going to show you the results of the flaxseed hair gel. I made a video about how I apply this to my hair and it's on my channel, so I'll link it above. But now I'm just removing the satin hair scrunchies that I use to stretch my hair overnight while my hair dries. Then you will see me mist my hair with a green bottle filled with aloe vera juice. I will use this to fluff my hair out since I do not like my hair super defined. And then that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!